Tell me, are we rushing things?
What?
Kasi sabi ni Lilet nagmamadali daw tayo. Sabi niya, pag-isipan ko daw yung alok mo sa akin. Kasi akala ni Lilet na nagmamadali daw tayo. Na dapat pag-isipan ko daw kung papayag ako dun sa alok mo kasi hindi daw madaling pasukin yung mundo ng pagpapakasal.
She said that, huh? Well, you know, she has a point. But you know, babe, what matters most is how we feel about each other. Kasi babe, ako sigurado ako sa nararamdaman ko, kaya gusto kitang pakasalan.
Okay. And I appreciate your love and commitment. I just really hope that others can appreciate it as well. Anyway, tapos na yung lunch. Balik na ako sa table ko.
Sure.
Okay.
Hindi ka ba talaga titigil, Attorney Matias? Are you trying to provoke me? Hello. I've been sitting on a piece of evidence for quite some time now. And as you know, some cases call for a special occasion. Unfortunately, that time has come. Go ahead. Release Exhibit A para matigil na yung Lilet Matias na yan.
Ang iniisip mo? Bawa pa rin ba? Relax mo muna yung isip mo. Mukhang palaging busy yung best friend ko, ah. Kausapin mo naman ako.
Kung nga, di lagi ko rin busy. Pero thank you, sinamahan mo ko, ah.
Wala to. May kukunin din naman ako sa kabilang building, eh. Kaya huwag mo na isipin to. Happy ako na samahan kita. Buti nga, tinawagan kita, eh. With your job, na lawyer ng masa, feeling talaga sa'yo na gampanan yung pagiging Lady Justice mo.
Alam mo, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na naipapanalo mo yung mga naaagrabyado. Yung mga walang boses. Yung ikaw yung pinaguhugutan nila ng lakas. Pero bilang Lady Justice at bilang ate ni Eira, I have a lot to live up to.
Kaya mo naman yan, eh. Dahil kung may bumiyari ka, Attorney Kurt Ignacio, may Attorney Lilet Matias na hindi umaatras.
Kuhang-kuha mo na yung pagiging jologs, ha?
Siyempre, pinag-aralan ko na yan. Teka, ayain kaya natin si Eira sa tambayan natin.
Makakaganti na din ako sa wakas sa delusional na babae niyo. Talaga bang naniniwala siya na you have fallen in love with her? That's a joke.
Hey, thank you for sticking with me through all of this.
I'll do anything for you because I love you.
Hey, not here, not in public.
Kurt, naniniwala ka ba sa kutob?
Oo na, parang hindi. Pero wala namang masama kung aalamin mo kung bakit ka kinukutuban. But in court, you need evidence. Gut feelings won't hold up in front of a judge.
Si Atty. Allen ba yun?
Okay. Okay ka lang ba?
Parang nakita ko si Atty. Renan, eh. Pero hindi si Eira yung kasama niya.
Baka client.
Parang hindi lang kliyente yun, eh.
Ganito na lang. Tawagan mo si Attorney Eira para masigurado mo kung kasama ba talaga niya si Attorney Allen.
Hindi siya sumasagot eh.
Eh, malapit lang naman yung Keystone, di ba? Pupuntahan din naman natin siya para kausapin.
No, this can't be happening. This can't be happening. Hindi pwede to. Oh my God.
Kahit kailan, hindi magiging tagumpay ang panalong bunga ng kasinungalingan. Kahit anong mangyari, lalaban mo tayo, ha? Malis ka na!
Lilet, sandali.
Bakit? Bakit lumabas yan?
Attorney Kurt, Attorney Lilet, where is she? Where's Sarah?
Gusto mo pag-isa ni Atty. Aaron?
No, I need to talk to her.
Sino may gawa nun?
Babe, this was all in the past. I've changed. I've moved on from this.
Calm down, okay?
Babe, bakit biglang lumabas to? This could severely damage me. This could destroy my career.
Nagawa ko na paraan. Okay, I'll put a stop to this.
No, babe. This will ruin everything. My clients, my reputation. Bakit ba biglang lumabas to? At sino? Sino may gawa nito?
Think, babe, who could have done this? Sino bang may galit sa'yo para ilabas to? Sila Isko, family niya, sino ba?
I don't know. Okay naman na kami ni Booney. Tapos na-settle ko na yung obligation ko dun sa family ni Mang Isko. Kaya di ko alam kung bakit lumabas to.
That's the case, babe. You have to think. Who else knows? Sino pa yung ibang nasabihan mo tungkol sa issue na to? Think. Who else?